So, this is a love reading for you, Virgo, for September to October. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. Whether it is your spouse, it is your partner, it is someone you've been with for some time, or just someone you have a crush on. Maybe it's your boyfriend, girlfriend. So, it is a general reading. So I'm doing a heart shaped spread and I'm seeing how the cards for you and your person of love interest. Now please note, as I said, this is a general reading. So everything will not resonate as it is with all Virgo, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, you may want to read my September newsletter. The link is given in the description box. You can download it from there. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the love reading? So, you both, when I look at these cards, it's just telling me these are two people who are just living a very, very busy life, and there is just so much stress in your situation. You are barely walking to office or walking back home, Virgo, and your partner is just with folded hands praying every day that let this time go or let this situation go by. So this is how the lives have become today, that that people are working for longest of hours and they are barely making any money and are also very, very stressed out. So that is what I'm seeing in your cards, that there is a certain money situation, Virgo, for you, and your partner is also working very hard, almost as if is a captive or is in a prison like situation at their job. So hard, can barely come out of their job role or job situation, or whenever your partner is done with the job, he or she just comes and crashes home. The good part is, you are looking at your partner and your partner is also looking at you. There's a lot of attraction, a lot of love between the two of you, and general warmth that the two of you share. So when I see these cards, I'm seeing that these are two set of people who are in love but are surrounded with very tough life situation. Virgo, with you I'm seeing there's some health concern also, and money is tight, and with your partner the job is very, very demanding, and he or she is never able to take leave, never able to be with you, and hardly is able to spend any time with you because he or she is forever working. So very stressed out cards for the two of you. Maybe the two of you want to go take a break, go on a holiday if it is possible, but the rigor is very high and there's not much romance or love that I'm seeing right now. It's just two people who are at work and are just making things work. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? In strength and challenges, I'm seeing is Virgo. There's something about the money situation. One, you really need a lot of money, and then I'm seeing a challenge here where you have miscalculated money somehow. Either you calculated more, or you were hoping for a very big bonus or something, and it did not come along, and that's added to a lot of your problems. So something about money is definitely bothering you. Also, if you see, these are just 5 coins here and are showing difficulty, but in your challenging situation there are 7 coins, so that means the situation, your complete situation, is not known to your partner, or how much difficulty you're facing financially is not known to your partner. It's not so grave, but it's just telling me you miscalculated some money or bonus and it did not come along, and it's giving you a lot of stress. Now, what is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? I'm seeing that your partner is, here also a person is pleading, and in this guidance also your partner is pleading. So I don't know if there is a breakup in the cards, or the two of you want to call it quits, or what is going on, but your partner seems to be saying, let's give it one more try, let's not end it right now. So this could be one thing. The other could be, your partner is really hoping for their health to get better. It's quite possible your partner is down with some stress related problem, and then is really praying day in day out that this situation gets better and it doesn't end their job or doesn't end their career in some way, or they don't lose out on an opportunity because the health or a stress is so high. So I'm just saying that your partner is with folded hands, you know pleading their case in both the cards. So that means there is some request going on from your partner's side, either to you or in the work situation. But looks like he or she is in a little bit of a dire situation, and they're just hoping the redemption to come through, some solution to come through. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's nursing a heartbreak, and this could be coming from family also. It is possible, somebody in the family has fought with your partner, or he or she is nursing a lot of wounds from the past, whether it is from the work situation, from the friends, and your partner is not really healed. So certain hurt is still going on, and lot of you, it is quite possible the work is very challenging for your partner, but he or she may also be trying to keep themselves super busy to deal with this energy of hurt. Now, how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as someone who does try to get away with lot of things by just giving a story or just building up some situation, but eventually your partner is able to catch you. So it's just that maybe, Virgo, you have told some situations, or you have tried to smooth talk a certain situation with your partner, but he or she is always able to catch you, or they're able to see through your lies or smooth talking. So it's quite possible you doing this could also be hurting your partner, and you may be doing it because of a certain financial situation which is so difficult, and maybe you're trying to hide it, or you're not telling it entirely. So it could be giving a lot of heartburn to your partner. So this is how the two of you see each other. Now let us see what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together. So about the future, Virgo, you want marriage with this partner, or you want happily forever after, or you want to go strong with this partner, because this is a very big wedding card. It announces wedding, it announces win. So whatever the two of you want from this relationship, you believe, Virgo, you're definitely going to get it, or the two of you are going to get it. So you're totally believing that this relationship is going to be very, very fulfilling, and it is a match made in heaven, or that you two are true soulmates and you both were destined to be together. So about the future, Virgo, you're very, very convinced that this is how, or this is the partner with whom you would like to go the long way. When I look at the guidance of what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you, your partner feels your career is not so strong, and that may be giving little bit jitters to your partner, that will you be able to go strong, or will you be able to build something big with your career or not. So these are some worries your partner has about your career, or just overall your situation, and whether you will be doing well or not career wise, or job wise in your situation. It could be a business also. Maybe if you're a self employed or a professional. It's just that your partner worries if you can take your skills further or not, if you can test deep waters or not, or if you will be able to hold it through your certain failures and get back up or not. So this is just the concern your partner has about the future with you. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Virgo, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So in the past, Virgo, you have spent a lot of money to hold friends together, whether they were loved ones or whether they were, people you knew for a long time. You have been spending money to keep people close to you, whether they were family, whether they were friends. So this is just how I'm seeing the guidance. It doesn't tell me whether you failed or you succeeded by spending so much or investing so much in friends, but it's telling me to hold ties together or hold people together. You've spent a lot of money. So that's the guidance I'm getting. Now, what is the past your partner is coming from? He or she spent a lot of time worrying, crying, being sad. I don't know what is the reason for such a huge worry. You see here also there are 4 swords, and your partner is just folding hands and is asking for mercy from higher gods. And when I look at the past your partner is coming from, there are 9 swords. So in the past your partner has even more worries than what he or she has now. And the hands are again just, it's almost like giving up, crying day in day out. I don't know what is going on. So there's some great worries with your partner. Also, you see there's so many swords here, the worry here, very big pleading case going on here. And then you also seeing your partner as someone who's hurt or is nursing a broken heart and has been crying a lot from the past. So maybe some of you are just helping your partner just to come out of a bad situation. And now how's overall the guidance from the love reading? Frankly, when I look at this set of card, it's telling me relocation is going to do a world of good to the two of you. Maybe the two of you could take a transfer or move to a new place and go to a place with maybe if you live in a very posh locality now, or which is very, very central or very, very hip and happening, you want to go to something little bit scaled down, where the expenses are low and there is a little bit more relaxed or easy time. So this is the guidance I'm getting. The two of you may want to relocate, and there is just so much to talk over for the two of you. There's so much the two of you want to tell, or even I'm seeing that your partner may have a lot to tell, or share their sadness or grief or depression about. So moving away to a new location is going to do a world of good. And if it is not possible, the two of you should definitely look at taking a holiday. So then I see certain situation improving or working out. So this is how the guidance is for you, Virgo, and your love interest.